Oh, I hate that light.
I know that guy.
Yeah.
Why?
Far right extremists like fireworks.
Why?
Okay.
2-1.
Why? Why? All right, wait.
Oh, God. Whoa. Oh. Oh, that was a good one.
Dude, you missed that one, dude. That was huge.
Holy crap, that thing. What does it do?
That's
Oh!
Oh, it just lights?
That's how we do in Texas.
Andrea, that's the snake.
Oh, this
Is
thing.
that how it feels with humidity? It's just like getting
Oh, that thing was
burned.
dumb. Oh, that thing sucked.
Yeah.
Those
We
Boston?
have a burn ban. No, we have a burn ban.
No, I want to do that one.
Okay.
A what?
Burn ban. You can't go.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the whole like.
I want to let it.
Oh, yeah, we have all that native.
That one, Dad.
Okay.
Dad.
Oh, he has a better one.
I love how everybody thinks that all of Texas is cowboys. Just like
I wanna
all
like
of
it.
California are like hippies and like stoners.
That's
for
what they
sure.
think, right?
Like it's
But
so
they get
funny.
confused when I roll up from California, living in Texas.
Yeah.
You gotta push the small one. Small
one
before the big one.
I couldn't see it.
Doesn't make
Why is there? Wait, what is that?
You gotta push the small one before the big one.
It just appeared on my
We don't need to use the lighter.
Small one.
They get to.
Yeah,
What
how about
is
lighter
this?
guns?
Oh, not even.
Hey, there's a car.
Does it just? Where does it light up to?
No, the car can wait.
This is just stays lit. The lighter is not. The lighter is not something that's exciting.
Ooh. Is that, can you move real quick? Oh, I can't tell if I have a good view. Don't know if I have a good view or not, but you know, able to just see the. Man, that thing sucks. Oh, I know what it is. It's the confetti popper.
I knew it. That's why.
All right, we got one more. Thought. There you go.
Oh, doing something now.
Oh my God! I told you. Look now. It's cool. Look. Here, I'm gonna put another one for you.
Sneaky snake.
It's a sneaky snake.
Nah, that snake sucks.
Look, it's snake.
Like a dumb snake.
Just like a giant.
You hear the sound in the background?
It's like our Inca cactus coming back right here.
Hey, shouldn't they move the car?
Beautiful.
Shouldn't the car move?
That's John. Oh, what's
I know. Because everything has to be
What is
forward.
happening?
Tuck and roll, please.
What is that? Oh, it's my snake.
Oh, geez, not another seizure. Are we out of those things by now yet?
2 more.
Is that thing okay?
Oh my gosh.
I want a light blue.
One that Dad has.
Alright.
Sucks. I want like 2 more of those big ones.
Dad, can I have the lighter if you have?
I don't have it. I don't know where the hell it went. I dropped it.
Snake is going. Snake is going.
God damn
Can I
time.
pop
It only
this
took
to you?
45 minutes to get those
It's already
things started.
No, it's not.
No, not on my face.
No,
Pop it.
I think you can.
Pop it up. Pop it up.
Oh, there you go. Fucking eye, you fucking retard.
I tried it.
God, you're fucking stupid, dude. Don't put that in my eye.
Another big one.
Oh, the car's been waiting right there.
Is it?
Hold on, wait a minute. I want to do it.
Hurry up!
Wait, hey, what's going on?
What's going on? That's the car they have. They have.
Wait, let me do another one.
Oh, God. Oh. How many you have?
Drea, here. Go, dude, it's plenty of time. Go. Listen to me. You're gonna get out of here and go home. Knock it off. You push the button down.
It almost
Huh?
Oh my god, this thing's too scary. Should I just put this down? Guys, watch out, watch out, watch out.
No, put it back over where it was and on that square thing.
Careful, there's still a little bit of spark. Oh, is that one of the things that they did?
No, it's
Actually, wait, I think
we just need-
I think we have one of those triangular things that they.
It's
How do you
it's
work
what's
this?
up?
What is that?
Just pull it.
Pull this and then pull it.
Keep pulling.
Don't hurt
Pull.
me.
Put it up though. Here, let me do it. Here, Jay, let me do it. Let me do it. Here, someone hold the camera so they can look at it.
Wait, what does this do? Wait, don't do it yet. All right.
Ready?
I want to see what it does. Pull it.
Oh God!
Oh, I thought you did that. I thought you did that.
No, I thought I did. And I was like, God, I should not have done that close.
So we got this fire. Is there any more left of what he just did?
Don't know. This was my first one pulling.
So are there any
I
left?
already pulled it.
Yeah,
No,
check
so
the
it's
back.
a little soda bottle.
Wait, do you know if there's any left?
And I like this one.
Okay, you need to go
So
out there.
sick when you do them like in sequence like that. It's so
Oh,
tight.
Drea, light up.
If you can do it.
That thing was shit.
You gotta be careful, because you don't know what it's gonna do. Watch your head.
No, put it back more.
Watch your head. Back up, back up.
No, you guys are crazy. Oh, it might be just doing the smoke color.
Wait, don't go up there yet. Plug your ears in.
I think it's not gonna blow up.
Yeah, that's so sick.
Oh, I think it's done. Oh, never mind.
I don't know where the hell they went.
Really? That's all it does? Oh!
What the hell?
I want to be like,
Yeah, gosh,
really?
must
That's
be
all it does?
defective.
Uh,
Like, this is so lame. Why
not
are we
gonna
here this shit, babe? I'm sorry.
No, that's kind of cool.
I'm waiting on me.
I like how it could like get you by surprise. Like, it makes it like looks like it doesn't work. Oh, it's gone.
Wait, don't go up there yet.
Not yet.
You might want to be careful because you have no idea what that's gonna do. Do y'all know what it does?
Nope.
Is that all it does?
Yeah.
California, it can't be that amazing.
Oh. Yeah, that's it. That is it.
I might.
No, because it's tricking you, Monty.
No, but it's done. It's just not been shooting for a minute.
Sure it's not.
7 minutes already. God. Boom! Oh my God, it's so blurry. Look at my
Right there.
look at my camera when I zoom in. Look at it. Look at it, Jilly. Look how blurry that is.
They're doing another one.
No. Oh, hey, get.
But
I
gosh,
think
this one's gonna blow up. No. There you go, baby.
Not gonna blow up. Oh. Whoa. Oh, you can see the snake.
That stupid little thing.
Oh my God.
Watch it catch on fire.
Won't be surprised. Oh, I like that. I like that one. R.I.P. the snake. That snake is getting burned.
That's where it went.
That's all it does.
No, I think.
Azalea being so unimpressed.
No, you just got called unimpressed.
This is Emma right here.
You got called unimpressed.
This is me.
Why? That.
Am I Spider-Man? Why?
Yeah.
I thought you had another one.
I don't think I can wear the other one.
See.
She had to live the transgender shit. Look down here.
Ready? I'm gonna light it.
Oh, go light it.
Can I sit?
Yeah, sit. I was gonna sit there, but you can sit.
I'm pissed that I can't provide you.
Oh, I was like, what the heck was that?
Emma! Scoot your booty. I can probably sit right here.
Boom. Kaboom. Oh.
That one's called
Dragon Rider. I don't know.
Dragon Rider.
I just came up with that.
Oh, cool.
Oh, my eyes.
Oh God, it's bright.
My eyes. I hope that doesn't come towards us tonight or something. Well, like you're talking on fire.
He's like Bumblebee.
Man, why'd you guys Man, why'd you guys sit so close? He was like this. He was like that. Holy crap! No. When I just saw Spark, I'm like, yeah, I'm just moving back. Oh.
Tell me if I missed anything.
He was like this with both of his hands. He's like, and I was like, hey, what you doing? You want me to go see? I don't know. I missed it.
Where's Grandpa? All right. I only got one more left, babe. That was a big one.
Oh, I got good shit. Oh! Oh!
That was cool, dude. I like that.
Someone was? I didn't hear it.
Did you hear it?
No, I did not hear it.
Look out! Oh, that Rose one that picked us. Look out!
Oh, I like that one. I'm moving back just in case it does that thing again.
Oh, hello.
What?
Oh, is this your chair?
Yeah, I didn't put the animals away.
Oh, yeah.
They got out, so I had to chase
Both
them
of
around.
them?
Oh, wait, they did?
Both of them?
They got out.
How?
Who's got a lighter? Anybody? I got a lighter.
You want me to help you?
Oh, we were just setting those down so they didn't get everywhere.
7 points. Oh.
Bonnie, want to see it?
No, wait, hold on. He's gonna do one right now.
What is it?
Let him do one. Let him do this one, and then you can do it. What is it? What is it? Northern Light? Oh, it's gonna be like the Northern Lights that oh, that's not gonna be bad. Wait, are they hot?
Oh, yeah. I couldn't find
Are they
any.
hot
Like,
Cheetos?
no, I couldn't find any at the store because everything there was like extra spicy.
Oh,
I'm not a big fan of those. And plus,
spicing is good.
no, the extra.
Oh, you're gonna do it over
extra Spicy.
Wait,
I
hold on.
like the spicy.
I'm recording. I know.
I'm not sure where we'll probably.
Just do it right in the middle, right here. Okay, this is where they kept doing it.
I don't have a mount.
Oh. Can we have 2 rocks hold it? What? Can we have 2 of these rocks hold it? In like place? Maybe. Oh, they have like something.
Come on.
Right here? Oh, why are we doing it right here near the tree? Oh, God.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Hit it.
Sure you're ready.
Yeah?
Right next to the fucking tree.
That's what I said.
Put the whole neighborhood down. Okay. Just hold it in your hand.
No, here.
Watch
There's
that,
a
dude.
crack right here.
Look at him. He's like, I didn't come with any instructions. I'm just kind of winging it. Let's see how it goes. Here, light it. Since he's scared of his own shadow, let's go.
Oh, me? Oh,
No, that's my Todd.
somewhere over there.
Please, Todd. We should get this party on the road.
I know. You want the light?
Is it gonna hit it?
50-50.
Oh, I don't know. Who gives a shit?
No, yeah, it might.
4th of July. It doesn't even count.
You want the light or you got it?
It doesn't even count.
Here, you want the light?
It's on this side, Todd.
No, it's right there.
Oh,
You won't even notice with this giant ass fireworks they got up here on the beach. I got one more. of
Oh,
this damn
shoot.
thing.
oh God. Oh, I couldn't see it.
I love 4th of July. It's like my favorite holiday ever. What the hell? You're not even on the thing. What?
Do you want to take the lighter?
Are you blind?
Yes, I have. I can't see.
Here, I got the light.
There we go. You almost got it back a little bit. I can't believe I'm having to guide somebody. There we go.
Nah, I rain. Oh! Oh, shoot! That wasn't bad. That was good. That wasn't even bad at all.
I thought it was just gonna go up and pop.
Same, that's what I
Oh,
thought.
these are the rocks. Dude, that's pretty damn good for a little small one like that. Dude, that's damn portable. Not portable.
Man, that was good. You want your lighter? Oh, that one wasn't even bad. We thought it was gonna hit the trees. We thought it was gonna hit the. No, but it just went all the way back.
I broke my mouth.
Oh, it broke?
Yeah, I broke it.
You broke my mouth.
What?
Oh, I got a good one right here. The mount broke. The little holder broke.
Manny, video this.
Huh?
Look out!
The blue ribbon. Number 1. Wait, behind, she's gonna light one.
Woo! I'm not even big laptop.
Hey, I'm trying to get it for the video. I'm trying to get it for the video so I can post it. So other people don't get to.
Please don't like video shit about somebody in a felony. That'd be awesome.
I'm not.
Dude,
I'm not.
I find these fireworks here in my bio.
I'm not. Not working? Oh, it might be a car. Yeah, I like the blue ribbon then. Oh, wait, hold on, she's going. Hey, she's going. Oh, there it goes.
I'm going.
Oh. Oh. Oh, God. My bad. My God, how many do you have? Can I say it? Oh, I'm hoping. I'm here. Holy crap. We gotta make sure it doesn't hit the tree.
Yeah. Am I gonna hit the tree? Over here.
Yeah, here, let's go up here. Aw. No, you're fine. We just gotta make sure it doesn't hit the house. Yeah.
I just hold it.
No? Oh, wait, here, right here.
What do you mean?
Crack right here. There's. Well, here. See. You just want to shove in one of the cracks?
Yes.
Here, right here. Let's try it. All right there. No, I think lights on now.
I'm scared.
The same. No,
I'm
because
scared, dude.
because last time it went bad. We just gotta light it. We gotta hope it doesn't go back.
I can't see.
Oh, here, you want me to get the light? Not there? Fine. Oh, it fell! Oh, God. Oh,
I held it in my hand.
oh, that is... It fell.
That was you?
That was him. It fell and he just hold it.
Hold it loose and it'll fall right over your hand.
You held it in your hand?
I held it.
Burn your arm hairs.
Not at all.
No, go.
You know what that does?
It's like the other ones.
Shot it out of his
It does like the little fire thing and then it blows. Holy crap.
It looked like SpaceX.
No, look, it was like it was like this. Down, grabbed it. Boom.
I like it.
He held it in his hand like that. It fell.
That's the way you do it, I guess.
I'm actually about to light another one. Move your butt top.
What is that?
That's what we do.
I saw you
Just
guys.
the cap from the stupid little toy that you use. Move your butt top.
Thing's all over. It was about to
Alright, you need light?
God, I'm like, fuck me.
You need light?
He was about to hit him, right?
So you could get the light.
Come on, be like.
I'm running out of there. When I see that thing out, I'm out.
He's gonna ram the back door.
Christmas colors.
You had to go there.
Oh, yeah, dude. It's funny, though. You laugh. Couldn't have been that bad.
Hey, I did it before, so
Whoa.
on the rocket.
Hey, Hero, I got a big package for you, sir.
No.
Can you open it up?
Bottle rockets, right in the door.
Why do we always the worst one?
That was good. Five. Oh! Oh! My God!
Oh, hell yeah.
Man, how much money do they have in their pocket?
One little mishap didn't compete
Do you
with
want me to go over there so you have the light?
Illegal or legal?
Alright, let's go.
Wait, what is that?
It's the neon one. It has neon colors. Come on.
So this is what it will look like.
Oh, it's gonna look like that. Okay, here. Put it right here. Come
Put
on.
it right here just to be safe. No, we're gonna light it.
You got light. I mean, don't burn me.
Wait, run.
What do you got?
The neon.
Oh, dude, you should see these people next to us.
I'm like,
Looking at Rams, wondering where the hell we got these things. They're like, you should just bomb the truck down there, dude.
Oh God. Oh God. Man, I move all the way back here. Nice.
I'm about to eat them all. I'm good. I'm full.
Well,
Oh, you want to get one?
huh?
Okay, you want one?
No, I don't want one. I like the hot one.
Biggie.
I like the hot one.
Okay, so this is not a big. No, not really.
I can't read.
There you go.
Okay, let's go.
What is it? I gotta open it first.
Oh, they're small. They're gonna be small. Might as well buy all of them.
You wanna grab that other one? Trust me.
Man, that thing won't fit. I'm just leaving it like that.
You can't.
You can't look. That's already filled.
We got plenty more too.
Oh,
Yes.
here, let's just light them all.
We got like 10 in here.
10?
Yeah.
Here, let's just light 2. Light 2 and then light the other 2.
At first, we're gonna do one by one. You want to light one?
No.
No, but it's a firework. Wait,
Oh, wait, hold on, they're going.
that's a big one.
Another one. Alright, let's go.
This one.
Alright, put 2. Go. Put 2 of them. Just like try here. Whoa. Wait here. Tie the end around the other end.
No.
No, tie the end to the other end.
Hold on, when I do.
Yeah, but then it could get in your hair. Here, do that one first. Yeah, do that. Oh.
Huh?
No, we're lining these 2 little ones.
Like that one too. This one too.
That one too?
When you get a chance here.
I'll do that one.
Here, what's up?
That one's gonna go straight up.
Oh, straight up?
It's gonna go straight up with sparks.
No. No. No.
You might want to light.
No, he wants the she wants the light.
Wait, you gotta be careful, guys. Wait.
Zelia, hush. They need the light.
I think it's out.
You guys need the other lighter? Here, have the chip up.
Is your hand hurting?
No, it's that lighter's running out. Or you gotta hold the lighter level. You gotta hold the lighter more level. There you go.
Alright, go. Oh, because it's winding too.
It's because of the wind too.
Oh, you had it.
Dad, you might want to move your head.
No,
from
I will.
above
See, it's
it.
a long fuse.
Oh, it's a long one?
There you go.
Yeah, let's trade it. Wait, go.
No, I'm gonna go in here. Too. Oh, I might get the other two. Here, let's just wait. Andrea, let's like the little two others.
Maybe we should get the ladder, huh? You want me to get the ladder? It'd be a little bit higher.
Maybe that's what it is.
Alright, so let's go like the other one.
Get the ladder.
I'm gonna go try.
Alright, here, I'll take it. I'll take it and get
The
rid.
bottle and then.
I like how it's a bottle.
I know, it's so easy.
Oh, something came out. Something came out. I don't know what it is. So I'm not
Oh,
picking
it's
it
a
up.
burnt part.
All right, here. Let's like the other two. Here, have them two close.
No!
Oh, there's
We're
one.
gonna do one
Wait, no,
part.
no. Here, tie both ends to each other, because then when you light, it's just one big one. Can't see.
The heck is that bug? Wait, how are you supposed to? Oh, like we can
Yeah,
put
keep
them together.
keep them together, and then when we light one of them, it's gonna light the other.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Oh well, here, just light one at a time. Go. Oh, hurry. Bump into my phone. Man, lucky it's still recording. The wind. You gotta put like something.
Put your hand on here. I'm gonna do it.
Here, why do you like this?
Oh, that's what it is.
Running out.
Here. Here, move. I got it.
that shit.
Here. Here.
Don't be scared of the damn
No, I'm
thing. It's
trying.
gonna freaking bite you.
No, I know.
I need a pump. I need a pump.
Here. Here, let me do it. Let me do it. Oh, you have it. Oh, God! Oh, God! No, that's nothing. Go.
It's to get all the dust.
Right out of my hand.
Don't be scared. Come on.
Oh,
here.
just light it. Just light it. I don't know why. I just suck at lights. Oh, there we go.
Right out of my hand.
There.
Right out of my hand.
I gotta take him down there. What am I supposed to hold his hand?
Light my pump.
We're gonna skip down there.
All you gotta do is light my pump. Can you
Yeah.
get one of these out
Do
for me?
this one. It's
Right
one of
now?
the same one that. No, right now. But it's the same one that we had. You can take it out there. It's the same one we had a minute ago.
No, I'm gonna take it.
You wanna?
Oh, you need it?